Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I'm going to make goat cheese wonton. Where my mother came from, she's from Inner Mongolia. Goat cheese is one of the popular cheese, and she always make the fried goat cheese in the wonton. They use 12-ounce goat cheese log, lime zest and juice, 1 tablespoon of jalapeno pepper, stamped and seeded and finely chopped, and 1 tablespoon of coriander stamped but no leaves, 1 small shallots minced, and 1 tablespoon of honey. First, you take the goat cheese to room temperature until soft. Then you put it in the mixing bowl and add all the ingredients: the jalapeno pepper and 1 shallot minced. Add the finely chopped coriander stamp, lime juice and lime zest, and 1 tablespoon honey finally, and mix well. Then you put it into the bowl and put back into the refrigerator until the goat cheese firm, it become harder and it's easier to wrap. When I make this goat cheese wonton, I like to use a wonton wrapper. The best one I like to use is twin marquee and called the Shanghai thin wonton wrappers, which I cut into 3-inch round shape with a cookie cutter. Then you add 1 small teaspoon of goat cheese. Fold the wrap in half and pinch all around. Then you make like tortellini and sealed at the end, and so make it into a sort of wonton. After you make them, you have to freeze it. When you are ready to serve, take from the freezer and dip into the fryer directly. And then I like to serve with honey mustard sauce. To make the honey mustard sauce, I will use 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of honey, then I add a 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and simply just mix all 3 together until smooth and blended. This sauce is good for the goat cheese wonton and also good for spring rolls and other fried appetizers. I hope you enjoyed this meal. You can always find the full recipe in the description below. Happy and healthy cooking. See you next time.